first question of the night is, what advice did you receive about credit when you were growing up? And what would you like to pass to the future generation?
About the credit card thing, I love how Natasha brought up about the Amex, because it teaches you to pay off your balance to a zero balance every month, which is really key. Something else I learned, because I had bad credit and you have to fix it. Like, what do you do to fix it? So I did some research on it real quick. If you have credit cards, it's not bad to have credit cards. You can have 4 or 5 credit cards. It's fine. 2 important dates that are important that you should know is your due date, when the payment is due, and also when the balance closes. So you don't want to have a high balance. You know, if your minimum payment could be whatever, make sure you pay that. But if you can, make sure before your balance closes, you also make an additional payment. That way your credit utilization will be lower, and that also impacts your score, so it's higher. So that's something I definitely learned. I want to pass that on to my kids as well. Also, if you're a parent and you want to help your child out, you could put them as an authorized user for your credit card, so they get that credit history already. They also get the years of experience as well. That's very important to have the years. And also credit utilization is really big. I see Tony.
Yeah, no, Justin. You know what? I left that out. That's very important. You said that, all kidding aside, because my father-in-law, man, I love to death, man. I just learned so much from him. What he did with his kids, and it's so important Justin is sharing that, because I totally forgot. He set all his kids up when they were 17, 18 with a credit card. My wife's credit score, because of her father, is an 850. Because all her, I mean, again, it's guidance and structure and what you have. To look who you have guiding you in the structure. We didn't have that. So my wife has an 850 because her dad helped her establish basically the platform for her. You know what I'm saying? And Justin, I just want to piggyback off of that. You're 100% right about having a parent open up a credit card.
Yes,
yeah, that's huge. So as a young kid, if you have last thing, if you have, as a young kid, if you're 18 and you have 4 or 5 cards, that's fine, because you just make sure you make the payments. You have to make the payments, and you have to make sure that you're making your balance lower before it closes. But you got to have that credit history from when you were 17. That's why her score, Natasha's score, and Kelly's score, people's score are higher because of that reason alone. So
yes,
that's really important.
Absolutely, 100% correct.
Exactly. And then I want to say this too, because I have to add this. I know that when I was younger, growing up, people used to open stuff in their children's name, like a telephone or this or that, because they had bad credit. So don't open up stuff in your kid's name and then don't pay it and then mess up their credit.
Well, I can tell you, that's some black folks right there. Hopefully we can stop that, okay? I ain't never heard of that. You said
Really?
Open it up in my kid's name and then don't pay it. Damn, that's some messed up parents right there.
But that's why they were
means in every community, not just black community.
Because they already messed it up in their own name. Or I even had a cousin that used to go around asking for everybody's social security number, like, yo, can I get your SSN? I'm like, you are what? So what? No.